This is just a quick little video on how to remove a Cisco UCS C220 M4 server from a rack. So you'll take your fingers and kind of point downwards at these little flaps on the rack ears. And once you push them all the way down, that'll release the latching mechanisms that lock them into place. And you can just gently pull forward on those little flaps until the server comes out and makes a click. Not from releasing these, but from pulling it out of the way. Now the server is completely extended as far as the rails will go. Get a good focus point there. Alright. And then to remove the server from the rails, on each side there's a little white tab right there with an arrow pointing forwards. You'll grab those with your fingers, kind of just put them right over is what I like to do. You can also grab it with your nail, but it's easier if you use the whole tip of your finger. You'll pull them forwards towards you, and then you'll pull the server straight out until it comes free of the outer rails. If you do find that these aren't releasing, it might be because you're pulling on the server already, or there's a bind. So what you might have to do is kind of jiggle the server a little bit as you're pulling on these white tabs, which then will release it and then pull it straight out. You want to be certain not to pull it out at an angle because you can get these in a bind. And then, yeah, simple as that.